Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video we will discuss about JavaScript actually. So before start coding in Node.js, we have to find out the way how we can get knowledge of JavaScript, because JavaScript knowledge is very important. Without JavaScript knowledge you cannot work right in Node.js. So for that I will suggest you to please go through the W3 school website. Okay, and there you can go in the JavaScript section. Here you can learn JavaScript. Okay, and you can try the code, and you know try it yourself button is there. When you click on that button, it's just giving you the environment, giving you the code, and giving you the environment to run the code. Okay, so it will run, and it will compile and run. It will give the output in the right side, right? So if you don't know about the W3 schools, and if you are a beginners, you should go actually for the W3 school. So I am an experienced developer right now. Okay, I'm an experienced developer, but I still go through the W3 school because it's a very simple and understandable. Because try it yourself button is there. So it's been a very long time I'm using W3 school. So to get knowledge of JavaScript before starting with Node.js, or while you're watching this video, you can parallelly work with JavaScript as well, because JavaScript is very interesting language. Okay, scripting language. So without JavaScript you cannot go, right? So just go through W3 schools and click on JavaScript button. Okay, so here we can see the JavaScript things are there. So all the concept, whatever you want, you can get it from here only, this website. So let me tell you some interesting topics you should cover first before start with Node.js. So what is JavaScript? Okay, you should go for what is JavaScript, है ना? Then where to not statement, what are the statement of JavaScript, like yeah, these are the okay. And you can go for the syntax as well. Comment, how we do comment in JavaScript. Variables, what are the variables, what is let variables, what is const variable. Okay, what are the operator available in JavaScript. Okay, these are the operator. So you have to go what are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, data, what are the data types available in JavaScript. Okay, what is a function in JavaScript. So yeah, after that objects, it's you should learn about objects and function very clearly, because in JavaScript everything is based on function and event. So how we can write function, that's very important part. Okay, so we have to just use function keyword and the function name. You can pass the argument, okay, here, and inside that you can just calculate the whatever data you want to calculate. So you can calculate, calculation portion will be inside the block, and return, you can return it. And the object, what is JavaScript object? So object actually, when we are working with Node.js, object is very important. So JavaScript object you should learn. Okay, so how we can create object, this is as we know that object is key value pair of data, right? So this is nothing but an object only. Okay, so key and value is there. And what are the event in JavaScript? This is also important actually. As a backend developer you should know, learn. Okay, so what are the events, what is a string method, what are the string methods? These are actually not used very frequently, but you should know actually. Okay, so to uppercase to lowercase, string dot replace, string dot, these are the string method. These are very easy actually. As you can see, the string dot split, okay, string dot trim. So these are the methods actually. Very easily you can learn JavaScript from this website. After that, string search, string templates, numbers, big integers, these are not required. But array number method is also important actually. Let's see, to string, how can you convert a number to string, to exponential, to fixed, to precision, right? So later, number property, array guys, array is one of the best topic ever in complete JavaScript and Node.js okay course. So if you can play with array and object now, so you can suffer with backend developer, because everything is array and object here. So the type of array is object only. So if you in JavaScript, type of operator is there. So if you print the type of array, then it will return object only. So array and object are very important topic in JavaScript, so you should cover very well. And after that, what is array methods are very important. Okay, array methods. So join method and pop, push, pop method. Okay, these are the methods you can learn it. And shift method, unshift method. Yeah, you have to cover this one. Array short, how to short array. Okay, array dot short method. And array const, array iterate, how we can iterate over an array. So for each I'm using for each and map very frequently. So how for each works, it will iterate the element of array. Yeah, it will each and every element of the array it will iterate. So for each, that's why we're using. So it's a very important topic. And after that, date, array dot date. Okay, so new date is there, new date only. Inside that, if you can pass your on date. required date, or you can just want to print the date, you can just use this code. And after that, loop concept, these loop concepts are very important. If else switch, okay, these are the common things. Okay, date get method, date format, okay, these are the things. And type of operator, very important, guys. And JS set, JavaScript sets, let's see. Add set has for each values, these are also good thing actually, you should learn. Regex, what is regular expression, so you should cover up with this one as well. What is type conversion, what is type of operator? As I said, type of operator return the data type of the value. So when a variable stores some data, and if you just find the type of that, like that, the type of our array is object, okay, type of this string is string, type of number is number, okay. So yeah, type of null is object, and type of my car is undefined, okay. So type of function is function actually. So these are the important things you should cover up before start with Node.js. So what is hoisting, scope, and strict method, okay, strict mode, sorry, strict mode in JavaScript, very important, guys, okay. What is this keyword? Arrow function is also very important, okay. Modules, what is modules, what are modules in JavaScript, what is JSON in JavaScript, okay. These are the things. Rather than this, yeah, this is very important. After that, ECMAScript, what is ECMAScript 5, ECMAScript 6, then ECMAScript 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in every year they have introduced some features in ECMAScript, so you can learn it from here very easily, okay. So ECMAScript is also used very frequently in JavaScript. So let me tell you what is ECMAScript. ECMAScript is nothing but it's a standard, okay. So ES6, ES5 is there, ES6 is the latest version, okay. So in 2015 ES6 introduced, after that 2021, 2022 there also. So in each and every year they have introduced some features of ECMAScript, but the major features they introduced in ECMAScript 2015, and they have introduced ECMAScript 6, in which we have lots of things like JavaScript module, object entities, array find, key from, okay, string includes, symbols, promises, classes, for, of, map object, okay, the operator, three dot operator, rest, and yeah, spread operator, you can say. Arrow function, const keyword, let keyword, okay, these are the things they have introduced in 2015. ECMAScript knowledge is must for a backend developer, okay. So if you want to go be a Node.js developer, you should go for JavaScript first. Otherwise, you can go for YouTube videos as well. So if it will required, if you request, I can make the video as well for that. So yeah, JavaScript function definition, parameters, call, apply, bind, and closure. Closure is very important, guys, okay. So after that, it comes under JavaScript also. That callback, what is callback in JavaScript, what is asynchronous, and what are promises, and what is async await. These topics are fabulous, guys, okay. So you should learn as well this one. So in Node.js, these topics, callback, asynchronous, and promises, and async await are used very frequently. Interviewer also ask question from callbacks and asynchronous. What is asynchronous and synchronous? What is the difference between, and what are the promises? Okay, properties of promises, how promises works, okay, and async await, what is async await. So these are the things you should learn from W3 school before going for Node.js, or while you are learning Node.js, you can just learn side by side JavaScript as well. So to get expertise in JavaScript, after that you can get expertise in Node.js as well. So Node.js is completely dependent on JavaScript, so you should have knowledge in JavaScript, at least the basic knowledge you should have, right? How to write code, how to write function, variables, let, where, const, operator, arithmetic methods, array methods, okay. These are the important thing, guys. You should array iteration, okay, these are the important things. So how to loop over an array, so type of, these are the basic common concept we are using in Node.js only. So yeah, that's all, guys. I hope this video will help you to be a perfect and good web developer. So go for JavaScript first, after that you can learn side by side as well. So yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you.